Hello everyone. So this is our happy patient who's undergone hair transplantation. So tell us, when did you undergo this hair transplantation?
I think it's been 2 years now, almost 2 years. I had an FUE procedure. It was my second transplant. I had the first one about 8 years before that, and it's been 2 years now.
Okay. Can you tell us what issues were you facing before you visited us? In the sense, how did it affect you, and what were your thoughts on that?
Sure. Um, I mean, like I said, it was my second transplant, and I've been through the problem. The first time I went through baldness, balding when I in my early 20s or mid-20s. So that really had an effect on my confidence, on my on my social life, etc. So I got it done then, and then I saw how it helped me. But over time, then I started developing more spots, so to speak. So I got my second round done, and the recovery process, or the time it took for my hair to grow back, was a bit longer than expected. But over time, it's restored my confidence. It's exactly what I've expected it to do. And
Okay.
it's holding up.
So how was the procedure as such on the day of the surgery?
Mhm.
How did you feel that day? It was done under local anesthesia, right?
Yes.
So was it really painful, or were you comfortable during the procedure? What were your thoughts on that?
There's a little bit of pain. It's an all-day thing, at least for me it was. And but it's certainly manageable, and I think the doctors were very helpful. Every time I faced more pain than I could perhaps handle, then they were very accommodating. They would give me more anesthetic, so it was manageable. It's not a pain-free process, but it's fully manageable.
And post the procedure, how happy are you with your results?
Very happy, I must say. It's been 2 years now. It took about 6 months to 9 months for me to start seeing the actual results, and it took some time for my hair to grow back. But having gone past that 6 month period, 6 to 9 month period, I'm very happy with the results.
All right. And after your first procedure, and you said you had a few issues.
Mhm.
So how did you get to know about us at Venkat Center?
Yeah, I did develop some spots, and so I thought maybe a second transplant is a good idea. And because I had some experience from choosing the first place, I did a lot more research. I think when I looked at your website, then between Dr. Aniketh and Dr. Venkat himself, then it seemed as if they were very well established in their field. There was a lot of scientific knowledge behind it. There's a lot of explanation, which to me gave an indication of their capabilities as doctors, their prominence as doctors. And from that point on, we started. I think I had a phone consultation once, and I think it was with Dr. Aniketh, and that was very reassuring. And then when I came down, I met Dr. Aniketh, and so yeah, in general, I was very happy that they were good doctors, and therefore that's how I made the decision.
Mm. And would you recommend our center, Venkat Center, to other people with similar issues?
Yeah, I think I would absolutely.
All right. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Pleasure.